Now we are going to see our main department, production department. Yeah, this is our manager of our production department. So now we will invite Mr. Hu to show us our department, okay? This way.
现在我们是在生产cf210。
Now we are producing, assembling cf210, the color models for HP.
这边生产 A。
We are dividing into two parts. One assembled for the toner part. Another part is the waste toner part. And last we will assemble together. So now we're going to see how to assemble the toners together. These all materials are tested by the developed R&D department. So now we will send to the production department to make them together, to assemble together. This one is the OPC part. So now we're going to the next part. Okay, this part is going to test toner one by one. So you can see from the paper we test out. She is doing the quality control. She can observe the paper and know which part has problem. If it has a problem, we will take it back and reassemble it. After the toner pass the test, we will clean the cartridge outside here. We will have first cold. You can see this.
在这里做好这个先称重，而且这个重量也是符合规格要求。
We will weigh the toners and we will see if the toner is enough the powder. We will see the toner if it stands up as the original toner. So we can see from this code. We can see from this code. This code have contains the date of production and also the weight of the powder and also the model's name. So we can check the models if you have any problem when you use it. So Mr. Wu will show another line. Now this line is making the HP cf226a, the black toner. They are doing the same job, assembling two sets together. Every line will have people to stay here to see the quality. So you can see that one person can see three printers together. We can observe the paper. If have any problem, we will reassembling. You can see that we have code for every toner. This is also making the HP toner. cf210a 058. This line is producing the HP 88A, this model. You can see that they are very skillful for making this. Okay, go on. So now this is our entire production department. Later, I will show you our quality control department. So thanks, Mr. Hu. Thanks for your helping. So let's go to the quality control department. This way.